Hi, it's Tanya here. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm just going to show you what I use for skincare. So it's going to be a real simple video. We'll just go through the products that I use. You may already know what I use if you follow me on my channel, but we're just going to go through them real quick because maybe you don't watch the other videos or haven't seen them or whatever. And so I just like to share what I use because I use pretty inexpensive products. There are so many products out there that you could be using. These are my faves. You can definitely post your faves in the comment section. I'd love to hear what you like to use. And as always, I don't like to spend a ton of money. I don't think it's necessary. I think that a lot of companies take our money but don't deliver the goods. So I like products that are effective and work. That's my criteria for using skincare always, is does it do what it says it does? If it doesn't, then I am not interested. And I'm definitely not interested in spending, $60, $70 on a small, teeny little jar of eye cream. So when I can double up and use products, I like to do that. If I can use the same product for two purposes, that's always the best thing for me to do, is to make double duty products, which I don't think I listed this as one of my double duty products, but I should. So right now we're going to do our 30 days of greatness. So I'm going to open the jar here, pull a quote, see what we got for today. You're pretty darn awesome. Wow. Okay. We'll take it, right? Yes, we will. All right. So here we go. I use every day underneath my makeup. Every day I use good old oil of Olay. This is the original active hydrating formula, and they do have the one with sunscreen in it if you prefer that. I love this formula. I love this formula. I love the smell. I love the texture. I love the way it's not greasy. I love the way it soaks into your skin and your skin just drinks it in. And I love the fact that when I wear this underneath any foundation, whether it's powder or cream, liquid, it does not make any of my foundations move around or separate or do any weird things. And due to the fact that I am such an economical person, I was thinking I needed an eye cream because the areas around my eyes and my lids and around here were getting kind of dry. And I thought, oh, and I looked around for eye creams and I went, what? They want $25, $26 for these little teeny jars of eye cream. I thought this is ridiculous. And we're talking all drugstore. I thought this is ridiculous. And some of the ingredients in there I thought was kind of too harsh. I don't want to put acids or anything around my eyes. I don't think that's necessary. So I took a little bit of my oil of LA one day and I thought, I wonder if this is safe to use around my eyes. And I started patting it in here and using it up here underneath before I even put my concealer on. That's what I use. And as long as you don't get it in your eye, it's gentle enough to use around your eyes. So that's what I use every day. And I generally use it too at night when I go to bed. But I will definitely use it around my eyes, even if I choose to use another cream on my face. I will still use this around my eyes. So I do that twice a day with this product and love it. And I think it retails for like $10. I've tried the store knockoffs and those are fine too, but I just choose to have the real deal. So there you go. And sometimes if I have an occasional acne like I do today, I had a little zit over here, I'll take a little bit of the Clean and Clear persa-gel and I'll take some of this and I'll just put it on my finger like that. That's actually too much. And then I'll take an equal amount of this and put it on there, and then I'll just rub it together like this and I'll just treat my acne with it, and that really works good. So don't go out and buy a bunch of expensive acne treatment stuff. Not that, actually, those of you who follow me on my channel, we're all, I'm 51, so, I don't get a ton of acne per se, but I will have an occasional breakout now and again, and so that works fine. And if you get this, it's like $5. This will literally last you years. It can dry out your skin really bad, so if you put it on acne straight, it will make the acne turn to a scab and all of that. So it's really strong by itself. That's why I mix it with some. Don't get it near your eyes, nose, or mouth, and wash your hands after you're done doing your little mixing thing. But works very effective. It's very effective. That's the key point here. I like products that are effective and they work. These companies, they like to sell us on all kinds of stuff. This will fill your lines in. This will plump up this is like collagen, on and on and on with all of the claims of anti-wrinkle this and anti-wrinkle that. But the truth is does it work, right? So that's the true test of any product, whether it's makeup or it's skincare or it's shampoo or it's anything. Does it work, right? That's what we want. So this next one I'm going to show you definitely works. It's Derma E firming. They do have two other kinds. I don't recall what those other ones do, but I chose the firming. I do believe that after like through the third day I had this on, that it did do some slight firming. It's not going to get rid of your wrinkles. It's not going to give you a facelift, but it does firm. And for the price, it's great. It is also cruelty-free, non-GMO. It's gluten-free, soy-free. It says ethical beauty on the back. I love that. It comes in a nice jar. They give you a very nice amount. They give you 2 full ounces. As you can see, I've used almost all of this up. It doesn't have, it has a scent, but it's not strong. It's really nice stuff. I don't know what else to say about it. I do use this occasionally on my face before I go to bed. At night's a good time to put treatment creams on, because that's when your body does its restructuring and things like that, is when you're sleeping. So sometimes I do wear this at night. I have worn it during the day underneath my makeup, and it's worked just as well. But recently I've been putting it on my neck here because my neck can get kind of crepey, the skin can kind of get crepey, and so I've been firming my neck with this, and so that's a great use for it as well. All right, and then the final product is the Cetaphil, and I use this to cleanse my face. I love this product. This is the mini travel size. I love this product because it's simple, it's non-irritating, it doesn't have any scent in it, and it works quite well. I would not take off your makeup with it. Don't put it around your eyes, nose, or mouth. It doesn't work. It caused some irritation around my eyes, so I never used it there again. Because I used it, I think, one time to try to take off my mascara. That's what it was, and it didn't work well. But it does work on the main face areas. So I put it on my cheeks and I rub it in a little bit up here, and then I rinse it off. And it's great. This is a travel size bottle, and so if you're interested in this, you can go to CVS or Walgreens and go to the section where they have all the travel size mini portions, and buy one just to see if you like it first. So there you go. Love this. So those are basically the products I use. I have also used alpha hydroxy in the past. That's kind of an older product. They're more hyaluronic acid is what they're using now, which I think the Derma E does have this in there. So you're looking for the ingredients that really do produce results. And you're not looking for just everything, just because it has avocado oil in it or something doesn't make it necessarily good for you, doesn't mean it's going to change or alter or do anything. But there are a few products that are effective. Hyaluronic acid is one of them. And also any fruit acids, like I said, alpha hydroxy also can take away any age spots, can slowly diminish age spots and freckles. I used to have actually quite a few freckles before I started using alpha hydroxy. I'm all out of it. I used my last I used the last of it up, and I'll have to go on the search to see if I can find one with just the alpha hydroxy and nothing else in there, but it does work in reducing age spots and such. So there are products that do work. You have to sort through them, see what works. You could try watching Dr. Dre. She's on YouTube, and she takes you into the store and shows you the truth about the facts. And of course, she's a dermatologist, so you're going to get the facts from her for sure. And she's funny and cute, and so that's also a way to kind of sift through all of the sales gimmick things that they push off on us to try to get us to buy their skincare. So don't go spending tons of money. Check out these. If these don't work for you, try something else, but you do not have to spend $80 unless you want to, and unless that product is really effective and you use it and you say, yeah, that really works, then it's worth the money, right? But the true test of any product is, does it work? All right, so thank you so much for watching. Please click subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.